everyone! I would like to introduce you to the Prestigio MultiBoard 84G series. This device features 4K touchscreen and powerful Windows Pro PC. After seeing its size, I agree with the manufacturer that this tablet is not for home use. It is a perfect device for meeting rooms and conference halls to replace projectors, common plasma screens, and flip charts. A built-in computer, which is Core i7, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD with discrete NVIDIA graphics, provides sufficient performance for demonstrating UHD videos. However, any office may have visitors who would ask, how can I connect it to my Mac or Windows PC? Or how can I duplicate an image from this screen to a projector? We won't talk about Wi-Fi software and Miracast technology, but show how to connect MultiBoard via the most secure way, with a cable. It has 4 HDMI inputs, including one UHD support, and one HDMI output, 4 VGA inputs, and one VGA output. For those who favor Mac, there is one mini display port. You can connect external screens or sources traditionally, same as projectors or modern smart TVs, by connecting HDMI cable. To show an image on the screen, we choose a source on the panel popping up from below. See how easily your external computer connects to show the signal. Though one may ask, will the touch work? The answer is yes. You will need one more USB Type-B cable for that, included in the box, and a touch driver for your computer. This is provided on the Prestigio website both for Windows and Mac. Voila! Now we are writing on the MultiBoard screen, but in fact working in the application on your PC. We can now save and send the file. So now we know how to connect your PC to the MultiBoard.